Why? Why do you want me to pick you up?
Cause I want you uppy.
I don't want to pick you up.
Uppy, uppy.
I don't want to pick you up right now. I gotta go get dressed.
Uppy.
Where'd you get that gum? Did you take my gum?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it?
Cause.
Where did you get it?
Cause.
'Cause why? Where did you get my gum?
Cause.
Where did you get that gum?
Cause.
Where did you get it? Is that mine?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it?
Because I got.
Did you steal it?
Yeah.
You're not supposed to steal.
Hair.
It's very pretty. Leave it alone.
Birdie.
Yeah.
Baby.
Yeah, it is pretty. But where'd you get my gum?
Because that flower.
Oh! Fire. Fireplace.
Fireplace.
You changing the subject? Oh! Got it. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Doggone it. He's on your eyebrow. He's on your eye. Get him? Oh, you got him. Okay. He's on your nose. Oh, doggone it. He's on your ear. He's on your lip. Okay, did you get him?
Yeah.
Alright. Darn fly.
Done. Fly.
Mm-hmm.
Done. Ow.
Bye-bye.
Huh?
Bye-bye.